Okay, hello YouTube, and Mach is here. So, no talking too much. And I have very good experience or those shippings from the UK have always been good. Nothing bad to say about that. And I wonder, this doesn't have anything. Let's okay. So I had that previous wax iron, but I sold it, and that was one of the nicest uprights what I have had, backless uprights, so I can't even think right now because I am so excited. Okay, come on. Okay, this pocket well. No. Okay, I don't need this box, so it can go. Okay. 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 I sound like a lunatic now. But how many times I have lately bought new vacuums? So, well, this is first and more is coming. Okay. This is used, but it doesn't look like that so much. Pin. So let's put that to side. Handle. And there is no attachments what they said in the listing, but I see one. And there is nothing else. Okay. And plug is there, and it is UK plug, but I have adapter. My scissors, please. Okay. I am going to replace that plug, but now I am using the adapter. Okay. Yes, this is that UK plug. It's a shame if I have to. I don't want to put that. Those adapters are super cheap. Okay. Let's put. No, well, I don't know. So, let's assemble this. This should be quite familiar with me. And this one. Okay. Now I don't know how this video quality is going to be because this is the front camera. So, well, let's take this cable off. That's smart looking vacuum. Now, you might be wondering why I bought backless vacuum when I always say that packet is better. Well, I like both. And I would say that backless is fun, more fun, because you can see the word. So, okay, this cord goes there, like that. There is this attachment, multi-tool, well, not the best. Let's see how this goes. So, dusting brush. This is pretty bad, but uprights are very bad. In-house mode with stretch also. Well, I don't we really need this, so but here it is. This is mainly for carpets and hard floors. So, okay. So what we got? There is some sticker there. I want to remove that. Well, magic eraser and it is full gone. So what we have here is much wax, much air. I believe it was, yes. Here it says. Come on. Much air review, if you can see it. So, oh, this brush roll, yes. This is the good part. This is very stiff. And this is designed to meet those EU standards, so it has to clean well, and so there is no those safety lines there. This is a bit more narrow, this opening for the brush roll, so there is that. And there is suction control. I believe that I am not able to push this on this rook without this somewhat open, but we will see that. Okay. So, swivel. It should be, or is it? I don't know, because this is cheaper. Oh yes, it doesn't have that. Well, that's not the deal breaker at all. I thought that, well, interesting. How about the hose? This has this sorted hose, but okay, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. So, what else? So you can connect that hose to the wand, but I am not going to do that because this is carpet and hard floors only. And if I want to do some dusting and so on about the for cleaning, then it is going to be healthy. So, okay, let's hurry up with this. So, and I am going to show the rating plate. So, pin. This is multi-cyclonic, this pin, copied from Dyson, and there is inlet for the motor, and this is where the dirt goes in. So you twist this like this, and there is suction release valve there. There is the pre-motor filter. Okay, there is a bit, if you can see that coloration. So this is probably something like someone bought this and returned it. So there is that multi-cyclone system, and this comes off, and you can, something what Dyson doesn't allow you to do is you can take this very easily apart and clean. So this is for the fine dust. So this is pin for the fine dust. So, okay. This is in very good condition. Very good condition. I have to. How easy is that? and HEPA filter. This actually has true HEPA filtration. Okay, which way? This. And a bit carbon dust, nothing else. There is no rating, EU rating label for this, but I can put that to the video if I find it. So, and yes, I don't know what else to say. Specs are in the video. Oh, I have to clean that. But okay, now let's change the camera angle and test this. Okay, we can't plug this yet, but I have this to the from UK plug to Sugo plug. So you can see that. Okay, and socket. Please work. Okay, that didn't go without problems. Okay, it worked better than in the first time. I just can't just start the vacuum like this on this very high rook, and I really can't fault it. It digs deep. So it puts a lot of strain to the brush roller motor, and I found that that suction release valve halfway open. You can easily push and pull this. Pulling is very easy. Pushing is not too bad. So yes, this is one of those things where you just have to learn these. So how is the suction? Well, an iPhone. There is going to be obviously separate video about that. That's actually quite good. But true test is coming, so we are actually going to use measurement systems for airflow and suction, and airflow also from the cleaning yard. So, well, we picked it up quite a bit. I'm not going to dirty this carpet, but did we dirty the filter? No, those same spots are there. So that is the multicyclonic system. Sir, are you listening? Please stop doing those single cyclone vacuums where you have to pass that very often, that filter. But anyway, well, this was unboxing and more is coming. There is things to learn about this, like for example, I have to use maybe zip tie to keep this cord in place there. It doesn't really want to stay there. Anyway, okay, I think it is very smart looking vacuum. And that is actually a plus that it doesn't have swivel, because those are prone to cracking and breaking. So, and super light. And to end this, I don't know how this is going to come through the video, but it's very quiet. A lot more quieter Bruce roll motor than what the previous version had, or my version what I had. So, okay, happy times. So, thanks for watching and goodbye.